Locked out of your iPad? Whether you forgot the passcode, or your iPad says iPad unavailable, or security lockout, don't worry. I'll show you 5 proven ways to factory reset your iPad in 2026, starting with the easiest method, and ending with the one that works, even when the others don't. Let's get started. Method 1. Use the forgot passcode. If your iPad is running iPad OS 17 or later, and Find My was enabled before it was locked, Apple may display a forgot passcode option on the lock screen after several failed attempts. Simply tap Forgot Passcode, choose Start iPad Reset, then sign in with your Apple account. Once your identity is verified, the iPad will erase itself and restart like a brand new device. This is the easiest method because you don't need a computer. However, it only works if the required conditions are already met. Method 2. Reset with iCloud.com. If the forgot passcode option doesn't appear, you can try iCloud.com instead. Sign in with the same Apple account that's linked to your locked iPad. Select your iPad and choose Erase. As long as the iPad is connected to the internet and Find My was enabled, the erase command will be sent remotely. After the reset finishes, you can set up the iPad again. Method 3. Use the Find My app. If you own another Apple device, or a family member is willing to help, you can open the Find My app. Sign in with your Apple account if needed. Select the locked iPad from your device list. Then tap Erase. This works almost the same way as iCloud.com, but many people find it even more convenient, since everything happens directly inside the app. Method 4. Recovery mode with iTunes or Finder. If none of Apple's remote options work, recovery mode is your next choice. First, turn off your iPad. Connect it to a Windows PC with iTunes installed, or a Mac using Finder. While connecting the cable, hold the correct button combination until the recovery mode screen appears. Your computer will detect the device and give you 2 options: Update or Restore. Choose Restore. The latest version of iPad OS will be downloaded and installed automatically. Method 5. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If recovery mode isn't working, or you simply want an easier solution, you can use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. The software is designed to remove various iPhone and iPad screen locks, including forgotten passcodes. Here's how it works. Connect your locked iPad to your computer. Launch TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Choose Unlock iOS screen. Put iPad into recovery mode, download the firmware package, and click Unlock. The program will remove the screen lock and factory reset the device automatically. It's a straightforward option, especially if you're having trouble getting your iPad into recovery mode or dealing with iTunes errors. So those are 5 reliable ways to factory reset an iPad without the passcode in 2026. If Apple's built-in methods are available, they're always a great place to start. But if they don't work for your situation, recovery mode or a dedicated tool like TunesKit iPhone Unlocker can help you regain access to your device.